experience with PowerProv was amazing. It was a super energizing afternoon. What I really felt is that I could see the connection happening in the room. People got up and excited, and it's really about how you properly communicate, really how to listen to each other, use physicality, use your full body to communicate, and really lean into that. My heart was filling with joy and warmth, because that was what I really was hoping to get out of the exercises, and I could see that people put themselves out of the comfort zone as well, and really leaning into their own individual and stretching it just a tiny little bit, and that brought out everybody's personality. What I truly learned about myself and also my colleagues is that we should just do so much more of this in everyday life. To anybody who is remotely thinking or considering doing this, I would totally recommend this and lean into it, and you will get lots of inspiration from the exercise that we do. I would recommend
PowerProv.
Energizing, fun, joy.